So today we're just going to do a quick tutorial on how to relink your Aeroo Pro to the remote controller. And the first thing we want to do is just check that we have everything we need. So we have a flight battery installed in the drone. We have the remote controller. And we have the gimbal protective cover removed. So the first step will be to power on the remote controller. And to do that, all we need to do is press and hold the power button until we hear a beep. And the lights will begin flashing because it can't find a drone at the moment. The next step will be to press two buttons simultaneously, and those are the start stop or record button and the bait drop button. So we're going to press and hold both of those buttons. Until we see the light cycling through, and that just means we're looking for the drone and trying to connect. So for the next step, we need to open up a cover on the right hand side of the drone, just here, and we'll also power on the drone. To power on the drone, we're going to short press and then long press hold until we hear that beep again. So once we've opened up the side cover and the drone is turned on, just next to this little green LED, there's actually a little button, and you'll be able to feel it. It will click inwards. Now, once we do that, the green light's going to start blinking rapidly, and within a few moments, it's going to find our remote controller and link the drone to the remote controller. After it does that, it will turn solid green, indicating that the drone is now linked. So we can clearly see that both the remote controller and the drone are now in the binding mode. And because the light has stopped flashing on the remote controller, we can see that the controller has now found the drone and we should be ready to fly.